Unboxing your new Express starter kit. You'll start by removing the tape on top of the machine. Inside the box, you'll have this white piece is a filler. This cardboard section will hold the charger, your component kit. This holds all your essential materials for installation and use of the ProtectionPro machine. This is our Express 4 machine. Last, your two cutting mats. Your ProtectionPro Express short mat and your standard ProtectionPro Express cutting mat. This is your Express 4 component kit. Opening up the lid, you've got scan here. This will tell you a little bit of welcome information, getting started with the component kit and your ProtectionPro machine. On the inside cover, you can scan this QR code. It'll show you instructions for downloading the ProtectionPro app and setting up the cutting machine. Inside, the first thing you see, this is going to be your Express and your Light 3 component checklist. Your training envelopes. Inside each envelope, there's going to be 4 training blanks and 1 Ultra 2 film. You can practice and test it out 4 times, and by that time you'll be a pro and you can install the Ultra 2 film on your own device. Got your Pro install mat. This is going to be a non-stick pad that you can stick down and put your device on top so it stays in place during installations. This is going to be your OTG cable. This is for a wired connection if you prefer not to use Bluetooth. It also contains your blade and your blade adapters. Your ProtectionPro tweezers. These can pluck out any of the cutouts. Your 4-inch dry install squeegee. And your 4-inch Pro install squeegee. This one's for wet installations. This is going to be your standard cable adapter and a USB-C cable adapter. New microfiber cloth. This can be used to clean off the device and to wipe off any gel. Your new Pro install gel. This is going to be used for all of your new ProtectionPro installs. And last, the ProtectionPro cleaning wipes. These will be the first thing used to clean off the device before your installations. Inside the brown triangle that was on top of the machine, your charger is going to be on the inside. You got 2 tabs. Open out the bag. Your charger is going to come in 2 separate pieces. You'll connect this port into here. Depending on your country, you'll have different connectors, but this side will remain the same to plug into the machine. This is your Express 4 cutting machine. You'll remove all of the tape around the sides. Now that we've removed the tape and the foam from the machine, there's going to be tape on individual parts of the machine that need to be removed before use. You've got this first blue tape at the bottom. Peel that off. 2 more pieces on the blade holsters. One last piece of tape on the back. Now with all the tape removed, you're ready to start plugging in the machine. You'll get your power cable. You'll plug it in on the right side of the machine. Your power button is going to be on the right as well, right next to the cord. Turning the machine on, you should see 3 buttons, the Bluetooth icon, and 2 arrows, the in and out arrows. The Bluetooth icon should be lit up blue. If it's not lit up blue, you can just tap it to turn on the Bluetooth. Blue means it's on and ready to pair. White means Bluetooth is disabled. Installing the blade, your ProtectionPro Express 4 should come with a blade like this. This is going to be your auto blade. Your auto blade adjusts on a scale of 0 to 10, from right to left. Looking at the bottom of the blade, there's a hole in the middle and then a round adjuster. If you press on the side, making sure not to put your finger over the hole, on the side, a light press will adjust 1 increment up. So now we're at 1, 2, and 3, and a hard press will reset it to 0. The desired setting you should be on is going to be 3, so 3 light presses. And the red notch should be on 3. To install the blade, we'll pull the tab out, place a finger underneath the number 1, push the blade in, push it from the top, and push the tab straight in. Now your blade is securely locked in place and ready for use.